So, I was using TikTok on this phone earlier, and then this started, and look what got stuck. Let me show you the front area. That's the front area, guys.
Look at the tree up there.
That tree, we're worrying that it's gonna fall, but most of the stuff that happens that trees fall are in Chesapeake Ranch. Now let's go over and look at the back area. As you can see, it's way worse. These areas, this kind of weather can result in trees falling, tornadoes, stuff like that. That's the back area. So, we're not on the tornado watch yet.
I'm not going to be under one.
No, I'm recording. But there's the front, there's that area. One piece of the stuff that came on the wall is on the window is still on the window.
A couple on the window.
Yeah. And this is Syria. That there's leaves on the window. And if ever I get a tornado, if there's a tornado now, we're either going down here or we are going over into the bathroom. But most likely we're going downstairs, if there is one. That's the weather here. We're just waiting for the lights to go out, right?
They might.
Okay.
Looks like it's starting to,
Yeah.
that's fine.
Let me see.
It's only 5 minutes of ground floor.
But really, hopefully this all ends in nothing. Why am I doing that? Hopefully this all ends. Goodbye. That's what the outside looks like.